the situation is improving. And yesterday, I think the cases that we got yesterday alone was 12 only. And then today it has come down to 3, right? It is just only 3. So it is improving, but we should not be complacent. I think that is the message from the government. Menta ka janmet, ha ka review meeting ka sarkar ka lasim ya karai, bahkan neka lockdown ka bankut la syai menstep, ngin nem impose you ya ka lockdown temporarily, but ya katangin sapek katu ka nepor ka ka bangidon ka banle. Tenrei nakabenta la syai, ngin nem don ka lockdown. Na kabenta ka ke area kabangi ong ka Shillong agglomeration, lane kabangi ong ka Shillong urban area. Nang ta susu ngilaya kren ru ba ngin penbun susu ya ki Jaka Sumar kabangi ong ka Corona Center. Ya kaning la syania apok health department ban identify susu sakatu kan itli ki Jaka. Nakabenta bangin yo ban Sumar lani ban yo ban bu yak itu ki bayo positif ha kajaka kabakar pang ila IT kani hapo ka health department ba kin identify lani gin kam kentiu susu ya ki kamera ha kabede bat ka Corona Center da ka bangi supet ba kadon ka jingkiu man kasngi ha kini ki positive cases na kawai kasngi sya kawai kasngi. I think that day when Chief Minister declared the lockdown in Shillong agglomeration was focused on one issue, and that issue was contact tracing of those people who were in contact with each other. So as of today, after we received the input from the health department through DHS, so the contact tracing is more or less completed as far as these contacts of wedding party is concerned. So on that basis, we feel that, okay, lockdown, extension of lockdown at this point of time is not so necessary. Api kabangiyo kalong ba kumba long ha kene ke por ka bamenta kibabun maha kinong trei kamtam Henekrims hospital hadin badon ki positive cases kapelong baki borsnong ki bortau la ki tip badon manura manu ki batrei hapo Henekrims hospital kabamut kimsha asyu bekeman rung hapo dom hasnong lani hayeng asem balai bakiting yo le se ki de ki carrier kane kejing sngau kadade kabade ngamong kabomde kejing sngau jong ki borsnong ki bortau lani ki marjan marpar kolong kabade tika kabingi kren menin hapok review meeting kolong bangi ya kren rengkat bat ngile video conferencing bat director jong Henekrims rengkat baru medical superintendent kabaki penpau ngi kolong baki don kam ya ke Jaka ba yaki tu kinong trei ki badai ru direct ki deal bat ka COVID-19 long bangin ai ka space ka Jaka kenang bakin mle chu cheyeng long no bakin sa long ko masa hotel na hotel sha office na office sha hotel ha ka Jaka bakin le cheyeng ya kane ngindang walk out bat ngilapan ru ya ka numbers na po ka Henekrims management bikin ong yengi kumbakat nu totally lanikat nu spamut ke bangi don kam ban le kumta but menin ngatrai na kaliang jong i minister don burom jong ka ibape ka hel ngila ai khublei sibun e ka to snong mau ka siang ka ba willingly na ka bor snong ki ai sya ka Henekrims na ka benta bakin penun kam ki tu staff ki batrei hang te po hospital te ngangakwa ban appreciate susu ya kane ka borsnong ka bakit kli hadu katne ban yarablem ya ka management ng tepo Henekrims te menta na kaliang jongi ka state government ru ngila step in habadon kita kijing ngin yarap bat ngin penbiang ya ka Jaka syong jong kiduin nong trei tang bahaba ong kinong trei parru hidai ban sutu They ya kitu kinong tray ki baya deal direct, but kitu ki positive cases. Nilai berpinsu ong mentah ong along sekidar, pihak penbiang dok yang ngamla suban le sieng kamlong. Teka kebiarai menenru kawai ke mengakwa ban percaya pi kalong ba. Nakaliang u director jongkan nekrims. Ya kitu kinong tray kiba kamdon risk, kamdon kimdei ka high risk contact. Ya kabay day bat kene ka kenyang jingpang kin ai ru da ka certificate. Ya uway pakaway kitu kibatray hang tu kenang ba kabor sinong kabor taru kan yo i bat ba kinum don ke jing konyo ban pediang yaki ba kinle naying kin sa haying bat kinle tray men step bat ndamit kin poi biang siyeng. Teka banga apil mata nakaliang jo ki bor sinong ki bor tau sngau ba ya kitu ki bayo pade ya ka certificate na kaliang jong ka management jong ka nekrims sngau ba ban burom lem namar kiru hangte ki sngau thu ba manu ki ba deal direct close contact bat kini ki cases ki ba bun ki ba dena COVID-19 lane kino ki ba sumar be ya ki jingpang ki ba per ki ba judon man kasni.